Hi, Claire. I thought I would just give you a quick video on how to add Winnie to your roster for your workshop today. So once you're in My Learning Plan and you go to Activities and you click on Enrollment Tools, you'll see this box, this dialog box. You'll notice that it defaults to showing only the active sessions. So we want to go into advanced search options and we want to make sure to include all so that we can see the archived workshops as well, those workshops that have already happened. So once we do that, then we can see all of the workshops that have already happened and transpired. So let's go down and find Flipgrid from today. There's your session. And we're going to go into confirm attendance. And that's where you can add registrants to your roster. Okay, so that's where we can go in. And the user should come right up. She's over here. Let's click her name and we're going to add selected. All right, and now she is added. Okay, and there she is. And then you can confirm the attendance. I'm going to go in because I want you to be able to do it. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to delete her. All right, and now you try it. All right, go in, add her, confirm the attendance, and you should be good to go. All right, and thank you so much for leading that workshop today. I was hoping to make it, but we were actually interviewing for biotechnology principal position all day. So I was unfortunately able to make it. I hope it went well. Reach out to me if you need anything else. All right, and I'll submit your timesheet tomorrow. All right, thanks, Claire. I appreciate it. Bye.